Let's talk about a powerful muscle growing, fat burning, sleep improving, injury prevention, and recovery peptide combo that you should consider adding to your research. I'm talking about CJC-1295 and Ipamorelin. Chad here with Rogue Wellness Consulting. I'm a certified registered nurse anesthetist with 10 years of medical training and experience, bringing you real peptide info real quick to give you the knowledge you need to make competent and informed decisions regarding your health and well-being, because self-care is healthcare. In this quick video, I'm going to give you the practical info you need so you can make an informed decision about adding CJC-1295 and Ipamorelin to your research stack. We're going to break down a few basic biology terms to give you a comprehensive understanding what these peptides are, how they work, risks and benefits, and how I've utilized them on my own personal research gym rat. So the big picture, CJC and Ipamorelin are considered growth hormone optimizers, known as growth hormone secretagogues. GH is synthesized and released from the pituitary gland in your brain. Growth hormone circulates in the bloodstream and stimulates the liver to release IGF-1, insulin-like growth factor 1. IGF is responsible for activating the complex chemical pathways within your cells that are ultimately responsible for the effects of growth hormone secretagogues. Let's start with CJC-1295. It is known as a modified version of the growth hormone releasing hormone your body naturally produces. GHRH is released from the hypothalamus, travels to the pituitary gland, and stimulates the release of growth hormone. You can think of CJC as an amplifier that boosts the signal for your body to increase the amount of growth hormone secreted. And it works in synchrony with the body's natural pulsatile rhythm, which means you're not going to make your biology do something abnormal, only what it already does more efficiently. You get higher circulating levels of growth hormone, which means you have higher levels of circulating IGF-1, which means you are telling your body to build more muscle, prevent muscle breakdown, burn more fat, while optimizing sleep quality and promoting tissue repair. Whereas CJC is a growth hormone releasing hormone, Ipamorelin is a growth hormone releasing peptide. It is a pentapeptide, meaning it consists of only 5 amino acids chained together. It stimulates growth hormone secretagogue receptors in the pituitary gland and the hypothalamus. CJC increases the amount of growth hormone released with each pulse, whereas IPA increases the frequency of those pulses. This is dependent on timing of administration, and because it has a short half-life of a few hours, you can take advantage of timing when you want these pulses to occur, like upon waking, pre or post workout, or before bed, depending on your needs and goals. Another advantage of Ipamorelin over other GHRPs is that it does not elevate cortisol, it doesn't increase prolactin or trigger extreme hunger, and it doesn't affect other hormone levels like ACTH, FSH, LH, or thyroid stimulating hormone, as some of the other ghrelin mimetics do. So you can get all the benefits of body recomp, recovery enhancement, sleep optimization, anti-aging, injury healing, without all the unwanted side effects. Ipamorelin has also been shown to potentiate the effects of growth hormone releasing hormones like CJC-1295, further increasing the amount of growth hormone released during these pulses of increased frequency. Because of their synergistic effects, they are commonly combined together into one vial containing 5 milligrams of each molecule. While these peptides have incredible metabolic benefits and side effects are minimal since they work within the boundaries of the body's normal operating system, you need to keep a few things in mind. Growth hormone increases IGF-1 levels and is a growth promoter, so certain demographics such as someone with active cancer or the raging diabetic already struggling to manage their glucose and insulin levels may be wise to avoid growth hormone secretagogues altogether. CJC and Ipamorelin, however, could be for the person experiencing natural growth hormone decline, like someone over the age of 55 when GH levels begin to decline rapidly, or the athlete seeking enhanced recovery without suppression, but do keep in mind that GH and similar are banned according to the World Anti-Doping Agency in sports. It can be used for the biohacker focused on longevity or anti-aging optimization, or just anyone with body composition goals or struggling with their sleep quality. I've researched doses from 100 to 300 micrograms of each molecule once or twice a day for 12 to 16 weeks with a 4-week period of being off the peptides, and noticed a significant improvement not only in body composition but better sleep depth, length, and overall quality of sleep. I went from sleeping 4 to 5 hours a night to 6.5, 7 hours a night, which is exactly what my body needs. I wake up feeling rested and refreshed, and I usually get up 15 minutes or so before my alarm clock even goes off. I'm sure it's playing a huge role in my body composition indirectly, as well by improving my recovery from my workouts, because I like to train 6 or 7 days a week. The last thing I'd like to mention is that you will see these peptides come in 2 versions, with or without DAC, which stands for Drug Affinity Complex. It basically extends the half-life so the compound only has to be administered once per week. While most studies utilize the with DAC version because there's just less to deal with and one administration a week is easier, I prefer to have more control over administration and dose timing. So I like the version without DAC. CJC and Ipamorelin, a powerful combo to help researchers achieve their body composition goals, improve sleep, and slow the aging process. If you have any questions regarding this combo, do not hesitate to shoot me a DM or an email. The links are in the description down below. And please share your experiences with these molecules in the comments section below. I love to hear about them. Lastly, if you got Moses goals like me and you want to take advantage of all the tools and biohacks we have available to make our life full of years and our years full of life, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. We got a lot more info coming your way very soon. But until that next video, peace, love, and long life I leave with you.